to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, then please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today I have partnered with FABFITFUN. If you are new to my channel and you do not know, I love with the capital L, the FABFITFUN seasonal boxes. And they actually offer something I didn't even realize they offered. So this is something new to me, and maybe it's not new to you, but they have add-ons. So each season they come out with a new FABFITFUN box. Not only can you get the seasonal box for $49.99, but you can actually add stuff onto that box. If you're one of their yearly subscribers, you can add on stuff at their discounted prices. So they have amazing things. I have all of the stuff right here that you can add onto your box if you're interested in it. You definitely don't have to add anything on, but if you're interested in one of these things, why not? You're going to get it at a discounted rate through them. If you've never gotten one of their boxes before, you can actually use this code right here and you'll get $10 off of your very first FABFITFUN box. You can definitely upgrade to be one of the annual subscription members so you can get early access to all of their seasonal add-ons each season. So I've heard that it's good to go ahead and get early access because all of the good stuff gets gone real quick, real soon. Add-ons are a member-only flash sale item. So these items are offered at a discounted rate through FABFITFUN, so you can add them on, so whenever you get your seasonal box shipped to you, they will come with that as well. So you will still get the items that come in your seasonal box, but you will get these also. So if you are an annual member and you utilize this service each season, comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't signed up for FABFITFUN yet, comment down below and let me know that you are going to sign up for the fall. I cannot wait to see what they have in the fall boxes this year, because summer just blew me out the water. But if you're interested in seeing what all of the add-ons are for fall, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first item that we're going to talk about is something that I'm familiar with that I actually already have. So I will be giving this one away. But this is the Sol de Janeiro Samba Foot Fetish Care. It's a cream and also a foot file. Very nice packaging. I love all of the Sol de Janeiro stuff. I have talked about it numerous occasions. I think this right here will probably one of the hot ticket items. I love this brand, so I'll definitely be giving this one away. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you probably should, because that's probably where I'll be giving it away. Yeah. Next up is this 35 Yoga Mat Spray. It's tea tree and lavender. Y'all, those are two essential oils I am all about. So this is by Will, W-I-L-L, and it says just to spray on your yoga mat. You can wipe it off. This will keep your workout space clean before and after training sessions. You can put it right on your training equipment. It also says sometimes a towel wipe down is not enough. Will Equipment Disinfectant prepares all training equipment surfaces by clearing most bacteria and germs with a few sprays. That's pretty nifty, and it's going to smell good because it's got tea tree and lavender in it, which I'm all about, so I think that's pretty neat. Sticking with the essential oil aromatherapy stuff, they also have some aromatherapy oil from Campo, and this has some lavender in it and some other beauty oils. For one, the packaging is really, really nice. It comes in this, and then you have this separate little bottle here. This is for relaxing, a soothing essential oil blend, 100% natural. So I'm guessing, oh yeah, this is a roller ball. Next up are these really cute silicone travel bottles. If you know me and you've been following me for a while, you guys know that we travel as often as we possibly can because I love traveling. So these will definitely get used. And I love these because one, they come in really nice packaging, and you could totally reuse this plastic bag that they come in. You get 3 in the pack, and they're different colors so you can differentiate between what's inside of them so you don't get it confused. But the thing that I like about these is the fact that they're easily squeezable. So you can get all your stuff in it and squeeze it all out. I've gotten the plastic set from Dollar Tree before, and once you get down to a certain amount of product in there, you can't get that stuff out. When you spend the time to put your own product in these travel containers, you want to get every last bit of it out. So I think that these little silicone ones are very easy to get out, and you can store them really nicely for travel. I like the fact that they're all different colors so you can remember what's in each of them so you're not going to get confused. But the shape of them is really nice too. These are all 2.5 ounces. You can really get a good grip on it and make sure you're getting all that product out. So I really like these. They are by My Tagalongs. They're great for lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and more. They have a really nice wide wide mouth here, so it makes it super easy for you to get your products in here. How many times have you bought the travel set and you can hardly even get product inside it because they're so aggravating? Sticking with another travel themed item, we have this passport holder from Bando. I thought it was so adorable. Obviously, I need a passport holder. I don't even have a passport, but we are in the works of getting one in a few months or so. This one says available for weekends. It's in a nice foiled lettering on the front. Really cute. It's pink. Has 3 little slots here for cards. You can slide your passport in right there. This is very nice. I'm gonna assume maybe it's leather or imitation leather. I'm not really sure, but I thought that was really adorable and it was really nice quality. This little thing right here got my attention really quick. So it is a Bent Go box and it is dishwasher safe. Hallelujah, that's my #1 thing right there. Everything that I buy, I need it to be dishwasher safe. It's also microwave safe. You have a 2-year warranty and it's BPA free. This is a little to-go container. So what you have is the top container nests securely inside the bottom container for compact and easy storage. It includes a sealing strap, plastic utensils, so it's got a fork, spoon, and a knife, and it's made from eco-friendly and healthy materials. It says it's an easy solution for school, work, and travel. So it has this little strap on it that's going to keep it all together so you don't have to worry about it coming apart. You can reconfigure it and you can put that there, and then you can put that on top of the utensils, and you can put that on top of that, and then you can reconfigure it like that. Just in case you don't need all of those compartments one day, maybe you want to use one for a snack and maybe another one for lunch. Or if you want to take some snacks with you, like if you're traveling on the road and you don't want to have to stop constantly and get some food, you could use it for that. But I think that's pretty nifty. Next up, we have some multi-plus hair, skin, and nail women's support vitamins from Wealthy. First of all, I think the packaging is very nice. Companies definitely can get me with packaging. So these vitamins are vegan, paleo-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free, and they're free of banned substances. I don't even know what substances have been banned, but they're free of those. It's suggested that you take 3 capsules with a meal and at least 8 ounces of water for daily health and wellness. This is cool. So this company, for every product that you buy, they will give 1 meal to someone in need through a local food bank. That's really cool that the Wealthy company will provide meals like that. I think that's really cool. So if you're in need of some hair, skin, and nail support, these are awesome. There are 90 veggie caps in here. Next up, we have some tea from Teas. This is Skinny in the City Yerba Mate blend. It says Yerba Mate is known to increase your energy, boost mental focus, and speed up your metabolism, all while burning fat. This triple threat is designed to kickstart your day while feeling and looking great. This contains some caffeine. So this is dairy-free, all-natural flavors, wheat-free, ethical tea partnership, GMO-free. Next, we have one of my favorite things ever in the world, and that is a lip scrub. This is by Dirty Lamb, and it is called Lip Rocks. It's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, unisex. I cannot stand to see a lip scrub that has so many different ingredients in it, things that I can't even pronounce, because really, you don't need that much in a lip scrub. This has cane sugar, coconut oil, unrefined extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and peppermint oil extract. That's amazing. So I'm all about this stuff. You can just take a little bit of it on your finger, rub it into your lips, and just rub your lips together. It says you can lick off the excess. I don't know if I would do that, because then you're just licking your dead skin. So I would rub it off with some water, but to each their own. So you can definitely do that. If you have never tried lip scrub before, I think you should try this one out. It looks like it has really nice sugar granules in there, so it'll definitely get in there and work the dead skin off your lips. Last but not least is this Pro Illuminating Tweezers with Diamond Dust Tips. Y'all, for one, the packaging on this is everything. It is wonderful. So these tweezers have a light on them so that you can see exactly what you're doing. And it also has a little carrying case that you can carry them in. This is just very nice, especially for travel. You can keep up with your tweezers. I think tweezers are one of the hardest things to keep up with because they're so small. But I love these. I will not lose these because they got a light on them. I don't want to lose them. So I'm going to keep them in their little carrying case. I think this would also be something nice as a little gift. I'm thinking of Christmas. I know we got 6 months to go, but I think this would be a really nice stocking stuffer. So I would pick one of these up as one of the add-ons. If you don't want it for yourself, you can definitely gift it to somebody else. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what all of the fall add-ons are going to be. Like I said, I am super duper excited to see what's going to be in the fall boxes. If you've seen anything that you're interested in and you want to try it out, make sure to go ahead and sign up for the annual subscription with FABFITFUN. You can use the link down below. If you've never tried their boxes before, you can use the code LATTE10. It will give you $10 off of your first box. So definitely utilize that so you can get your discount. Thanks again, FABFITFUN, for partnering with me on today's video. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking.